Hello and welcome back to Getting Handsy. This is Bob Bosk. Today we're going to be working on the second half of our stairs. It's this larger half right here. Basically, we're going to do the same thing we did last time, but starting with the base. So let's get going. 1/2 stick should be enough to get those pieced together. So we're going to glue those on there. Might need an extra one since it's a little bit too big for just one. But we'll try it with this way first. We're going to let that dry. Now that we've got our little small wall, we're going to make the large wall for the other side. And that's going to be another standard wall, so it's 12. I can count, right? 2, 4, 10, 12. So we're going to do that basically, like we've done for all sorts of walls. I'm going to make sure it's sort of straight. I'm going to angle it just a little bit so it leaves a little bit of room on the top and bottom. Just in case we need to get something close in there. Then we also want to leave a spot in the middle so we can do that brace. Now that this is dry, or at least mostly dry, we've got our front and back of the new staircase. This 7-stick piece that we're using for the front side, we're actually going to need 4 of them. Now we can start assembling the base of our stairs. Basically, it's going to be like this, but all vertical. So we're going to have these two, then like this. Well, you get the idea. So we'll start gluing them together. Oops. Well, put a little bit too much glue on this side, but that's okay. That should work, at least for the beginning. Get it lined up, then we'll let it dry. I'm going to move it off to the side a bit, and we're going to start working on the next part. We're going to get to work on the stairs. We're going to do the same thing we did last time, where we do 6 sets of 2 stairs. So we'll get these all laid out. Oh, that's a bad one. And we'll get them glued together. So now we're going to add the stair height. And we actually only have to do it to 5 of them because we've already added the 7th one over here. So we're just going to set that right on there, but then the rest of them need the 1 step. Now we've got our stairs ready, and hopefully our base is dry enough to at least move around and put some stuff on it. So let me get these out of the way. Now, as an aside, I did end up adding some little junk pieces to these corners just to try and add a little bit more support in the end. I just kind of threw some glue under them and shoved them in there, so nothing much. I don't think you have to do it. That was just something I thought that might help, so we'll see. And then this, so we're just going to glue this here. And the rest is just doing what we did before. We're going to measure out the sticks, cut them for the sides, put the stair on, and go from there. And last but not least, we've got that little gap, so we're just going to close it up with an extra stick. And there you have it. That's the second piece to our large staircase. So now we can put them together. Yeah, it's for a really large staircase, like I said. It's made for like the full piece walls, so we could put stuff up there, you know. It's pretty large for miniatures, so it would be pretty imposing. Full wall, I think, is about 6 inches. So, we've got just some, you know, guys, they'll fit there. Like I said, we could always do 3 sticks for a stair. That might give a little bit more room. But it works pretty well for what I want. So, you can also make angled stairs. So, lots of different options with just a little bit of extra stuff. Also, don't forget, you can cut it in half, make the smaller version. It's the same thing, but the sticks are all halved. So, there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you have fun making some stairs. Don't forget to like and subscribe down at the bottom, and thanks for watching.